Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a little bit of detailing on the two MX-5s. I contacted Autoglym and they kindly sent me out a few of their products, so I have them all here. The main one I really needed was the headlight restoration kit, which I'm going to be using on the Mark II. One of the headlights is gone completely foggy, all white. I'll show you that when I pull it in. I'm going to be using the interior shampoo on that car as well. I have flocking stuff that I put all over the dash. That's all coming off, so I'm taking that off. I'm going to use this on it then afterwards. And then I have the high performance tire gel, which will be going on the lifted MX-5. And odor eliminator. This is their new formula, which will also be used in the lifted MX-5 because that car smells really bad. I'm not going to be using the high performance tire gel on my car because those tires are bald and they're going to be coming off soon. So these two here, the interior shampoo and headlight restoration kit, are going to be the Mark II, and then these two, the lifted MX-5. The first product I'm going to be using is the Autoglym Headlight restoration kit. And so I'm going to just pull the Mark II MX-5 in and then we'll get started on that headlight. I have the MX-5 in here now. You can see this is the right headlight. It's actually not too bad, but when you compare it to the one on this side, you can really see, you can hardly even see through it. I've actually even noticed, the way I noticed in the first place was I could hardly see anything on the left side of the car. It was affecting the light coming out, so this definitely needs to be done. So these are all the contents of the headlight restoration kit. You have three different types of abrasive discs. There's this one here that goes onto the top of your drill bit. Each of these can stick to the back of it, it's Velcro. And then there's the buffing compound here, which is to be used last. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mask up around the headlight because I don't want to take off any of the plastic dip. If the abrasive disc was to hit it, it would just start cutting away at it, tear through it. So I'm going to mask up just a couple of centimeters in all the way around each of the headlights. And then I'm going to start first with the P800 disc, and then when I go through that, I'll work my way up through the other three. Start with the P800 disc now, abrasive disc. This one, they just stick here onto the Velcro and then that goes into the drill. So I'm going to go ahead with this now. I've done both the 800 and 1500 both now, abrasive discs, and I'm on to the 2000. It'd be a bit easier to have a spray bottle. You have to dampen this and you have to dampen the headlight when doing the 2000. I don't have a spray bottle, so I'm just going to pour some water onto the headlight just to get it wet. And then I'm going to dampen the abrasive disc as well. last one. Through all the grip papers now, you can see it's starting to look a lot better. Before these used to be all cloudy, especially on this side. You couldn't see through all the middle part here, so it's looking so much better. So the only thing left now is to use the buffing compound. This white foam piece goes onto the back of the drill, same as the others, and then this gets put onto the headlight and buffed in. And that should be it then, and it should be finished after that. Put it onto the drill, otherwise it'll start going everywhere. Just spread it around first. As you can see, the headlights are looking so much better now. The other thing I probably would have done different would be use a little bit less of the polishing compound, because I don't know if the camera can see this, but the car is covered in it. Hopefully it doesn't take off plastic dip. I have no paint left on my car. You can see it all down here as well. I just put on too much and splashed everywhere. This headlight's looking great as well. You can remember before, this was all white, all this, and it's spotless now. So smooth as well. They look great. So I'm back, day 2 in the Mark II MX-5. Today I'm going to be using the Autoglym interior shampoo. I'm going to be using this on the dash where I have the flocking material here that I'm taking off, and then all along here I have it all wrapped here with vinyl wrap that's going to be coming off as well. So hopefully the interior shampoo will take off all the glue that's left over, all the glue residue, and then same on top. Go ahead first, take off the flocking material that I have on the dash and the glove box, and the vinyl wrap here that I have underneath the stereo, and then I'll be using the interior shampoo to try get off any glue residue that's left over afterwards. All the pieces out here now that I'm going to be using the interior shampoo on. So firstly I'm just going to remove all this crappy vinyl stuff and the flocking. That is everything off now. I'm going to quickly go over these now with the Autoglym shampoo, and then I'm going to do 1 or 2 marks on the inside on the seats, and then just the dash, and then I'm done. this video I used both the headlight restorer and the interior shampoo on the Mark II MX-5. The headlight restoration was definitely worth it. You can see how clear these are now compared to what they looked like before. So in the next video I'll be doing a DIY alignment on the off-roadster, as it badly needs one. And in that video I'll be using both the high performance tire gel and the odor eliminator. I didn't need either of them on this car, so I'm just going to wait until I'm working on the other one. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see more. The main thing that's going to be on the channel is the build of the off-roadster, my lifted MX-5, and like the video if you liked it. See you in the next one.